I'm Ashley Harper, a nurse practitioner with Blue Water Spa and Blue Water Plastic Surgery. Today, we will walk you through what your visit will look like when you come to Blue Water Spa, as we have made changes and additions to our already vigorous and comprehensive cleaning protocols. All of our staff members will be tested for the COVID-19 virus. We will monitor each staff member to check for any symptoms that could be consistent with the virus and check temperature upon arrival. Any staff member with symptoms or a fever will not be permitted to work in the office. Staff members will change from their street clothes to freshly cleaned uniforms immediately upon arrival, when they will also wash their hands. Staff members will wear masks or face shields, and they will wear gloves and/or have freshly washed hands. We do not, nor have we ever permitted, artificial fingernails on staff members. Our goal is to limit person-to-person contact. To that end, many aspects of check-in and check-out will take place over the phone. When you schedule an appointment, you will be screened for COVID-19 and instructed to fill out and update intakes on our secure online system. Upon arrival, you will be greeted by a longtime staff member who will meet you at your vehicle that you can park directly in front of our building. We ask that guests put on masks as staff members approach your vehicle to take your temperature. Upon entering the building, you will then be asked to wash your hands and will be directly escorted to your treatment room. For your peace of mind, we will place a place card on treatment chairs after they have been cleaned, indicating that the room and furniture has been cleaned and sanitized. Any item that is used during your treatment is either single-use and disposed of or sterilized in one of our autoclaves. During your appointment, you will notice that treatment providers and support staff are always wearing a surgical mask or a face shield. Providers will wear gloves and goggles while performing procedures. Our spacious facility lends itself to comfortable in-person consultations. However, we have been providing virtual consultations for years. We use a HIPAA-compliant platform for telemedicine appointments and video consultations. We use a chat feature for live chat with one of our longtime staff members. Phone consultations can be enhanced with the photos you can send through a secure platform. In addition to our already exceptional cleaning protocols, we have added UVC light sterilization and a total room disinfection system designed to kill 99.99% of C. difficile spores throughout the entire room. The fogging system creates a dry mist that disinfects all surfaces and is effective against viruses and bacteria. We have altered our schedule to provide additional time between appointments to limit the number of people in space. We thank you for your patience as we adapt to this new normal. Nothing is more important to us than your safety and well-being. We look forward to seeing you